Hey guys, it's Elle from Weet, and we're going to talk about why sales professionals love Weet. First things first, you can collaborate with your customers on Weet, and your customers are going to love it because they respond in their own time. No more sales meetings. Secondly, you are going to take back some of your own time, all right? This is an efficient process. No more drafting emails. You can record and send a Weet in less time than it takes to write up an email. And then you can send your Weet to limitless people, just like an email. Third, you're going to notice you're going to stop wasting your time with video conferencing software freezing up on you all the time. So we know how it goes. You have to have a perfect internet connection. Your recipient does too, or the person you're in the meeting with, and especially if it's multiple people, that can become a hassle. So that's just not a problem with Weet. You just record your video and you send it off and it looks great every time. Also, you don't need to download anything with Weet. There is no software to download, not for you and not for your recipient. So we encourage you to check out Weet to make product demos, product walkthroughs, and communicate with your customers. Thanks so much.